Thanks for agreeing to be our guest. T-Day 2019. 46,000. Hey. Oh.
Hey, Mommy. You good? Need a ride?
No. I've lost track of time dealing with my financials.
Say what now?
I've been trying to figure out where all my money has been going, and girl, I'm in shock.
I don't understand.
Okay, well, after what Lara said about me being a liability and not planning correctly, and then tons of questions from my brother, I decided to figure out where all my money has been going to. And my dear, again, I'm in shock.
What's shocking you?
The things that I've been spending my money on. Now, if you want to have a heart attack, try figuring out where all your money has been going to. My dear, I'm in shock, which is the reason why I'm even calling. Do we know anyone who's getting married soon?
You mean apart from Olumide?
Very funny.
Yeah, sorry, too soon. But in this Lagos, somebody's always getting married now.
Fair enough, but I don't know who I indicated interest for Asoebi. Because I just got an Asoebi and the card reads T-Day 2019.
Oh, and it's Tina now. Tina and Deji. Today.
Who is Tina?
Zuri, my sister's classmate I introduced you to. The day we met at Seka before you traveled now.
Are you joking?
Why?
I don't even know this girl. What's my business with her, Asoebi?
Okay, calm down. It's not that serious. Actually, people all went to school together. We're all friends. Even if you don't really remember her.
Exactly. Which is why I'm trying to figure out why she even invited me to her wedding in the first place. Now offering me Asoebi. And how did she even get my address?
Well, okay, fine. See, she asked me to be on her bridal train. I don't want to go alone. So why not invite my besties?
You don't even know this girl. Why did you even agree?
She was looking for hot girls to be on her train. And I don't mind. Azuri, if you see the caliber of their groomsmen, see, you should not ask me. I for love you.
Okay, my friend, I know that you are the most when it comes to being a social butterfly, but don't you think this is a stretch?
Oh, that one is your business. See, why are you even complaining yourself? Is that thing not like 40K?
46,000. Part of broke, don't you understand?
Being broke is a temporary condition. Now, becoming a social pariah, that's permanent. But look at that fabric now, Zuri. I think the girl even subsidized itself.
Well, nevertheless, I don't need another Asoebi. I'm returning it.
Zuri, don't try it. Do you want to train in Lagos again? And for the wrong reason yet again?
That's not fair now.
Yeah, sorry, but see, please don't come and disgrace me. See you even complaining. My own bridesmaid bill is like 250K. From hair, meal, shoes, matching jewelry, even contribution for like 3 showers.
Well, good luck with that.
Oh, I need it all. I can't even come and complain too much before they say I'm a single sprinkle bad belly. Oh, babe, let me focus on this, my makeup. I've been disturbing this poor girl. Who is doing your own?
Me, myself, and I. Remember, I'm broke. Bye.
It's fine. Easy. Yeah, it's cute. I like it.